Hello, my name is John. Today I will show you how to upload new leads from Google Lead Form to Pipedrive. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new leads from the Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, in Pipedrive you can create new contacts to conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select one of the sources from which you want to receive new data. In this case, choose Google Lead Form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from the Google Lead Form. In this case, select Pipedrive, Create Contact. At this stage, we need to connect the Google Lead Form account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give a name to this account or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now we copy the URL for receiving data and go to the Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section and go to the Assets section. Now select the necessary lead form from which we want to receive new leads. In the lead form settings, go to the Integrations section. Paste the copied URL. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After that, click Send Test Data. Next, click Save and return to your personal account, Save My Leads. After that, click Continue. At this point you need to connect your Pipedrive account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you must specify the domain and API key. To get this data, go to your Pipedrive account. We copy the domain from the address bar without additional characters. In order to get the API key, we return to the Pipedrive personal account. Next, go to Profile Settings. Now go to the API tab. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the Save My Leads system. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. At this point, you see the Pipedrive fields to which you can assign variables from the Google Lead Form. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. If you are satisfied with the preset fields, you can leave it unchanged. After all the settings, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Pipedrive as new contacts for each new lead from the Google Lead Form. If something does not suit you, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Pipedrive. After successful submission, go to Pipedrive and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from the Google Lead Form to be instantly sent to Pipedrive as new contacts, you need to enable Auto Update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do it in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.